The world is a blank canvas that presents boundless opportunities for all. It is home to creations of unparalleled beauty. I often take the path less traveled and challenge myself to get out of my comfort zones. As an expressive and creative individual, I never stop looking for inspiration. I'm inspired by my environment, and I use objects and materials to express these experiences. Sometimes it just takes a moment to get the most compelling idea. This is the convergence of art and technology, reflecting flickering displays of greens and blues. I approach my work very differently. I think in pixels and data and sometimes in shapes, lights and sound. I am inspired to create. The world is a canvas for our imagination.
Own a smartphone.